Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So if you don't know how to unblock the blocked numbers, the numbers in the blacklist, you should first open the settings application and after that scroll down to the phone application. Now just tap here now, and here you'll see the blocked contact section on the bottom. Just click here, and here we can see and find the 4 of blocked numbers on our device. If you want to unblock one from this number, you should just click here to the edit icon on the right upper corner, and now just to remove one from these contacts you should click here on this minus and then confirm your action by click here to unblock, and that's it. By the same way, you can also unblock all of the numbers in the blacklist. Then just tap here to done and you'll see all the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.